Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to block nasty comment in EverWebinar. So before we get started into the guide and steps, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it actually helps me out. So let's get started. So for you to be able to block nasty comment in EverWebinar, so one of the first things you do is to log into your EverWebinar account, then go to the webinar dashboard, then select the webinar you want to manage. Then from there you have to click on edit settings, then open the chat settings section. So from there, look for the option to filter or moderate comment, then add a specific blocked word phrases or set moderation rules. So once you're done with that, tap on the save changes, and now comment containing nasty or unwanted words will be automatically blocked in your EverWebinar chat. And that's how you can easily block nasty comment in EverWebinar. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.